Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day, another look, part of my 12 days of Christmas where I create 12 different graphic liners inspired by not only the holidays but also your zodiac sign. Guess down below which zodiac sign you think this one is inspired by in the comments and watch until the end to see if you are right. This liner today is inspired by Judas tape. This was such a pretty look and I had to recreate it. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did. 'Cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. Yeah. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me, yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, come home tonight. Oh, let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. I try to figure this out, but I never could. Oh, baby, come home tonight and let me hold and squeeze you tight, 'cause it's Christmas time.
I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go, where the weather outside doesn't get fried.
that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I appreciate you to the moon and back as always. This is our second to last look, number 11, and this one is inspired by Aquarius. Now let me tell you why it's inspired by Aquarius. Aquarius are always thinking outside the box. They're always wanting to be different from everyone else. They're starting the trends and they are not following the crowd. So graphic liner to Aquarius means graphic liner, an upside down Christmas tree. This one just made so much sense for Aquarius. So let me know if you got it right. Let me know if you're an Aquarius, and let me know if you're ready for our final look, which is inspired by, I can't tell you, you're gonna have to guess. I'll see you guys in the next video.